Bimal Jalan, a visionary economist and policymaker. Bimal Jalan is one of India's most distinguished economists and policymakers, known for his significant contributions to the country's financial and economic landscape. Serving as the governor of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) from 1997 to 2003, Jalan played a crucial role in stabilizing the Indian economy during a period of rapid transformation. His leadership was instrumental in guiding India through a phase of economic reforms, globalization, and technological advancement, while maintaining financial stability. Beyond his tenure at the RBI, Jalan has been an influential voice in shaping India's economic policies and governance structures. Early life and education. Bimal Jalan was born on August 17, 1941, in Sadulpur, Rajasthan. Raised in a family that valued education, Jalan excelled academically from a young age. He pursued his higher education at Presidency College, Kolkata, where he earned his bachelor's degree in economics. Following this, he went on to further his studies at the University of Cambridge, where he completed a degree in economics and politics. He also earned a PhD in economics from Cambridge, which laid the foundation for his illustrious career in economics and public policy. Career beginnings. Bimal Jalan's career began in academia, where he briefly taught economics before transitioning to the Indian Administrative Service (IAS) in 1962. His early years in the IAS exposed him to the intricacies of economic planning and policy making in India. He held various positions in the Indian government, where he gained valuable experience in economic policy, planning, and development. This period of his career was crucial in shaping his understanding of India's economic challenges and the complexities of governance. Roles in government and public policy. Economic advisor. Bimal Jalan served as an economic advisor in several key government ministries, including the Ministry of Finance, the Ministry of Industry, and the Ministry of Planning. His role involved providing strategic guidance on economic policies, industrial development, and fiscal management. His insights and recommendations were pivotal in shaping India's economic policies during a period of significant change. Chief Economic Advisor. Jalan was appointed as the Chief Economic Advisor (SA) to the Government of India in the early 1980s. As SA, he played a vital role in advising the government on macroeconomic issues, including inflation, fiscal policy, and external trade. His tenure as SA was marked by a focus on stabilizing the economy and preparing the groundwork for future economic reforms. Finance Secretary. In 1991, Bimal Jalan was appointed as the Finance Secretary of India, a critical period when India faced a severe balance of payments crisis. Jalan was part of the team that worked on implementing economic reforms, liberalization, and structural adjustments that would eventually transform India's economy. His work during this period demonstrated his ability to navigate complex economic challenges and implement effective solutions. Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Appointment and initial challenges. Bimal Jalan was appointed as the 20th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India on November 22, 1997. His appointment came at a time when India was undergoing significant economic changes, including the effects of liberalization, increased foreign investment, and the growing influence of globalization. The Asian financial crisis of 1997 posed immediate challenges for India, requiring careful management of monetary policy and exchange rates to protect the Indian economy. Stabilizing the economy. One of Jalan's primary achievements as RBI governor was maintaining macroeconomic stability during turbulent times. He managed to keep inflation under control, stabilize the Indian rupee, and build foreign exchange reserves. Jalan's prudent monetary policies helped India avoid the worst effects of the Asian financial crisis and positioned the country for sustained economic growth. Financial sector reforms. During Jalan's tenure, significant reforms were introduced in the financial sector. These included measures to strengthen the banking system, enhance regulatory oversight, and improve the efficiency of financial markets. He also played a key role in promoting transparency and accountability in the banking sector, laying the foundation for modernizing India's financial infrastructure. Technological modernization. Recognizing the importance of technology in banking, Jalan initiated the process of modernizing India's payment and settlement systems. This included the introduction of electronic payment systems and the establishment of real-time gross settlement (RTGS) systems, which revolutionized the way financial transactions were conducted in India. These initiatives were critical in preparing India's banking sector for the challenges of the 21st century. Focus on inclusive growth. Throughout his tenure, Jalan emphasized the importance of inclusive growth and financial inclusion. He advocated for policies that would ensure that the benefits of economic growth reached all sections of society, particularly the underprivileged. This focus on inclusivity has had a lasting impact on India's approach to economic development. Post-RBI career and contributions role in Parliament. After retiring as RBI governor in 2003, Bimal Jalan continued to contribute to India's public life. He was nominated to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of India's parliament, where he played an active role in debates on economic and financial issues. His expertise and experience were invaluable in shaping legislative discussions on economic policy and governance. Chairmanship of the Expenditure Management Commission. In 2014, Jalan was appointed as the chairman of the Expenditure Management Commission, tasked with reviewing government spending and recommending measures to enhance efficiency and fiscal prudence. Under his leadership, the Commission proposed several key reforms aimed at reducing wasteful expenditure, improving public sector efficiency, and promoting sustainable fiscal policies. Author and thought leader. Bimal Jalan is also a prolific author and thought leader, having written extensively on economics, governance, and public policy. His books, including India's Economic Crisis, The Way Ahead, The Future of India, Politics, Economics, and Governance, and India, Priorities for the Future, have been widely read and respected for their insights into India's economic challenges and opportunities. Through his writings, Jalan has consistently advocated for balanced and sustainable economic policies, emphasizing the need for political stability, effective governance, and inclusive growth. His contributions as a public intellectual have had a significant influence on policymakers, academics, and the general public. Legacy and impact. Bimal Jalan's legacy is defined by his role in guiding India through some of its most challenging economic periods. As RBI governor, he was instrumental in maintaining financial stability, implementing crucial reforms, and modernizing India's financial sector. His work has had a lasting impact on India's economic policies, governance structures, and approach to development. Jalan's emphasis on prudent fiscal management, transparency, and inclusive growth continues to resonate in contemporary policy debates. His contributions as an economist, policymaker, and author have made him one of the most respected figures in India's economic history. Bimal Jalan's career is a testament to the power of visionary leadership and sound economic principles. His work as a public servant and thought leader has played a crucial role in shaping India's economic trajectory. As a figure of immense influence and respect, Jalan's contributions to India's economic development and governance will continue to be remembered and studied for generations to come. His legacy as a leader who navigated India through complex economic challenges and laid the groundwork for future growth remains an inspiration for policymakers and economists alike.